Humanity stands at a crossroads. We face unprecedented challenges: climate change, social injustice, economic instability. These issues are not just isolated problems, they are interconnected, creating a complex web of crises that affect every aspect of our lives. The decisions we make today will shape the future for generations to come. We must ask ourselves, what kind of world do we want to leave behind? The old ways of thinking, the old systems are failing us. Our reliance on fossil fuels is accelerating climate change. Social structures that perpetuate inequality are leading to widespread unrest. Economic models that prioritize profit over people are leaving many behind. But there is hope. Amidst the chaos, a new consciousness is emerging, one that seeks to address these issues at their root. A new way of thinking is emerging. This new paradigm is based on the principles of interconnectedness and sustainability. It recognizes that we are all part of a larger whole, and that our actions have far-reaching consequences. It calls for innovative solutions that are both holistic and inclusive, ensuring that no one is left behind. A way to reshape our world. Imagine communities coming together to restore natural habitats, to build resilient infrastructures, and to create systems that support the well-being of all. This is not just a dream. It is already happening in many places around the world. People are taking action, driven by a shared vision of a better future. This is the revolutionary idea of quantum activism. Quantum activism is about harnessing the principles of quantum physics to create positive change. It suggests that our thoughts, intentions, and actions can influence the reality we experience. By aligning our inner world with our outer actions, we can create a ripple effect that transforms society. What if I told you that you have the power to change the world, not through brute force, but through the power of your choices? Every decision you make, no matter how small, contributes to the collective consciousness. Whether it's choosing sustainable products, supporting ethical businesses, or participating in community initiatives, your actions matter. What if the very act of observing reality could shift it in a new direction? Quantum physics tells us that the observer plays a crucial role in shaping reality. By becoming more aware of our thoughts and actions, we can consciously direct our energy towards creating positive outcomes. This is the essence of quantum activism. This is the promise of quantum activism. It offers a new way of being, one that is aligned with the principles of love, compassion, and interconnectedness. It invites us to become active participants in the creation of a just and sustainable world. Together, we can make a difference. Are you ready to take the leap? The journey towards a better world begins with a single step. Embrace the power within you and join the movement for quantum change. The future is in our hands. Our planet is warming, ice caps are melting, natural disasters are becoming more frequent and intense. This is not a future threat, it's our present reality. We are also grappling with social and economic disparities where wealth is concentrated in the hands of a few, leaving billions behind. This is not just about statistics, this is about you. It's about the air you breathe, the food you eat, the future you dream of for your children. The challenges we face are interconnected and affect every aspect of our lives. Quantum physics, often seen as a complex and esoteric subject, holds the key to understanding this interconnectedness. Imagine a world where particles can be in multiple places at once, where seemingly separate objects are intimately linked. This is the strange and wondrous realm of quantum mechanics. Two key principles underpin this new understanding. First, choice. In the quantum world, the act of observation influences the outcome. Second, non-locality. This principle tells us that particles can influence each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. These concepts, though counterintuitive, have been proven time and again in laboratories around the world. Our current systems, built on a materialistic worldview, are struggling to cope with the complexity of our interconnected world. We've created systems that prioritize competition over collaboration, profit over sustainability, and individualism over collective well-being. Consider the healthcare system. In many parts of the world, it's a reactive system, focused on treating illness rather than promoting wellness. This contrasts with ancient healing traditions that emphasize preventative care and holistic well-being, aligning more closely with a quantum understanding of interconnectedness. Section 5. Quantum Solutions for a Changing World. Quantum activism recognizes this interconnectedness. and seeks to apply quantum principles to create positive change. It's a movement that understands the profound impact of our collective actions and the potential for transformation when we work together. By embracing the principles of quantum mechanics, we can foster a world where collaboration and unity are at the forefront of our efforts. It's about understanding that our individual choices, our intentions, have ripple effects that extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. Every action we take, no matter how small, contributes to the larger tapestry of our world. When we act with mindfulness and purpose, we can create waves of positive change that touch lives in ways we may never fully comprehend. Imagine an economic system that values cooperation and sustainability, where businesses and communities thrive together. In this system, resources are shared equitably, and the focus is on long-term well-being, rather than short-term gains. This vision of the future prioritizes the health of our planet and the prosperity of all its inhabitants, where abundance is the goal, not just for a privileged few, but for all. This inclusive approach ensures that everyone has access to the opportunities and resources they need to lead fulfilling lives. It's a world where diversity is celebrated, and everyone's contributions are valued. Imagine an education system that nurtures creativity and critical thinking, encouraging students to explore their passions and develop their unique talents. This system supports lifelong learning and adapts to the needs of each individual, fostering a love of discovery and innovation, empowering individuals to become agents of change. By equipping people with the skills and knowledge they need to make a difference, we can build a society that is resilient, adaptable, and ready to tackle the challenges of the future. Imagine a healthcare system that focuses on preventative care, promoting wellness and holistic health. This system recognizes the importance of mental, emotional, and physical well-being, and provides support for all aspects of a person's health, and recognizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. By addressing the root causes of illness and promoting healthy lifestyles, we can create a healthier, happier society. This holistic approach to healthcare ensures that everyone has the opportunity to live their best life. Section 6. Real-world quantum transformations. This is not just a utopian vision. Real-world initiatives are already demonstrating the transformative power of quantum principles. In the realm of economics, community-owned renewable energy projects are empowering local communities and promoting sustainability. In education, innovative schools are incorporating mindfulness and emotional intelligence into their curriculum, fostering a new generation of compassionate and self-aware individuals. In healthcare, integrative medicine centers are combining the best of conventional and alternative therapies, recognizing the interconnectedness of mind, body, and environment. Section 7. Your quantum journey begins now. Quantum activism is not just about grand visions, it's about the choices we make every day. It's about recognizing the power we hold in our daily actions and decisions. Each moment presents an opportunity to act in ways that reflect our deepest values and aspirations. Whether it's choosing to support local businesses, reducing our carbon footprint, or simply being kind to a stranger, these small acts accumulate and create a ripple effect that can lead to significant change. It starts with a shift in perspective, a recognition that we are not isolated individuals, but interconnected threads in the vast tapestry of life. This interconnectedness means that our actions, no matter how small, have the potential to impact the world around us. By understanding this, we can begin to see the importance of living in harmony with others and the environment. This shift in perspective is not always easy, but it is essential for creating a more compassionate and sustainable world. This shift in perspective can be cultivated through practices like mindfulness and meditation, which allow us to slow down and become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. These practices help us to develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. By taking the time to reflect and connect with our inner selves, we can gain clarity on what truly matters to us and how we can contribute to the greater good, which help us connect with our inner selves and the world around us. Nature, in particular, offers a powerful way to reconnect with the world. Spending time in natural settings can remind us of the beauty and complexity of life and inspire us to protect and preserve it. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by a river, these moments of connection can be deeply transformative. By becoming more conscious of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we can start to make more intentional choices. Journaling, for example, can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and growth. By writing down our thoughts and experiences, we can gain insights into our patterns of behavior and identify areas where we want to make changes. Similarly, practices like deep breathing can help us to stay grounded and present, even in the midst of stress and uncertainty. We can begin to make choices that align with our values and contribute to the well-being of all. Community involvement is another key aspect of quantum activism. By participating in activities like community gardening or volunteering for environmental cleanups, we can make a tangible difference in our local areas. These actions not only benefit the environment, but also strengthen our connections with others and foster a sense of shared purpose. Together, we can create a more just, sustainable, and compassionate world. Section 8. Embracing the quantum future. The future is not preordained. It's a quantum field of possibilities, waiting for us to collapse it into being. By embracing the principles of quantum activism, we can become conscious co-creators of our reality. This is not a passive process. It requires courage, compassion, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. It requires us to step outside our comfort zones and embrace new ways of thinking and being. Section 9. A universe of possibilities. The universe is vast and mysterious, full of wonders we are only beginning to explore. Within each of us lies the potential to tap into this vast reservoir of energy and information, to become agents of transformation, to create a future worthy of our highest aspirations. The journey begins with a single step, a single choice, a single act of courage. What will your quantum leap be?